All right, here's the Pokeball. It's a pretty good size, as you can tell from my hand. And there's just a little spot right there that you're supposed. Okay, we got the wrapper off. Now let's open this bad boy up. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we got a Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage pack. Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. And a Dragonite coin. Pretty nice one too. So that really sucks. Thought there was going to be an X and Y pack in here. Oh well, let's just get right into Vivid Voltage and then we'll open up the Sword and Shield. And then lastly, the Sun and Moon. Oh, it's 4. Okay. Starting out with a Energy, Trainer, Matang, Mightyena, Galarian Mouth, Chimco, Blitzel, Slugma, Beldum, Reverse Hollow Phanpy, Clefable. Nothing. Okay, next up we got Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. It's green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting off with that Fire Energy, Medicham, Beware, Lightning Speed Energy, Growlithe, Dreepy, Snover, Binacle, Galarian Darmaka, and Reverse Hollow, Time Pull, Common, and Barbacool. So, nothing good there. That's okay. Alright, so moving on to the final pack, we have a Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. I was debating whether or not I should even open this up because it's worth about 20 bucks, 15 to 20 bucks by itself. So if I pull garbage out of it, I'm losing a lot more than the Sword and Shield sets. But this tin that it came in was 15 bucks by itself. So basically I got this pack plus 2 bonus packs. So we can just tear right into it, might as well. If we get something good out of it, it will be a whole lot better. And I already see something. Okay, here we go. Oh, I see a full art. Starting off, we have an Energy, Zangoose, a Vaporeon, pretty nice for an uncommon. Tag Call, not 2. Palatoad, Jangamo, Deerling, Gauntlet, Reverse Hollow, Swirlix, Fairy type. Oh, that's got some damage on it too. And Tag Team Blastoise and Piplup GX. Beautiful card. Let's see. Oh, it's got a crease on the center right there. On the top right corner. Oh. Damn it. Well, that's okay. Beautiful card. All right. eBay store, we got a Clefable rare, non-hollow. Barbarcle, non-hollow. Reverse Holo Vampy, Reverse Holo Time Pull, the Blastoise and Piplup GX Tag Team, beautiful card, Swirl X Reverse Holo Common. So, no good pulls besides this. Awesome pull. Love it. Excited to see what the value is of this because it is a Blastoise card. Just that crease right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that crease, it's upsetting. But nonetheless, a beautiful card. All right, and that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. Get my channel up and going. I appreciate all the support, and like I said, eBay store will be down in the description below. My fishing channel, my main channel, will also be down in the description below. Thank you, guys.